If you trade crypto watching candles alone, you're playing a game whose rules you can't see. Crypto stopped being a retail asset a long time ago. Price today isn't driven by sentiment or halving cycles. It's driven by dealer gamma, liquidity walls, hedging, and institutional flow. The same machinery that runs the S&P 500 and FX markets. In this video, I'll show you a system that reads the market the way institutional desks do. The wall between traditional finance and crypto has come down. Spot ETFs from BlackRock and Fidelity. New regulations. Hedge funds, options dealers, market makers, and quant desks have brought their full institutional toolkit to Bitcoin and Ethereum. To read crypto correctly today, you have to see the whole picture at once. Macro, futures positioning, option structure, liquidity layers, smart money rotation, and how they connect. The problem is that most people read the market in fragments. Candles without liquidity, liquidity without dealer gamma, options without institutional positioning. Every silo leaves you guessing what the other layers already know. That's why we built FOCSAL. Our mission is to raise the floor of crypto intelligence, to bridge the institutional analytics stack with the crypto market that just joined it. We built it for investors, options traders, and futures traders who refuse to operate blind in a market now dominated by professional flow. You deserve the same edge institutions trade with, in one system, not scattered across 10 dashboards, because better informed investors make better decisions, and better decisions build a more mature market. Most platforms give you tools. FOCSAL gives you a system, 6 analytical layers that share one data foundation, one market context, and one inference engine. Futures, the directional layer, where conviction meets timing. Options, the asymmetric layer, where dealers set the rules, not retail. Liquidity, the terrain layer, where price actually moves and where it gets stopped. Analytics, the interpretive layer, turning raw data into something you can act on. Strategy, the execution layer, where a thesis becomes a sized order. And at the center, crypto, the synthesis, read as one continuous system. Each module has its own ecosystem, and they talk to each other. That's where the edge lives. This system is 11 modules in one workspace. Each reads a different layer of the market and feeds the others. Pulse shows the whole market on one screen. Options. Map, the dealer gamma map. Liquidity map, where capital is waiting. Smart money, institutional positioning from CFTC data. And market intelligence ties it all together into a single verdict. In the coming episodes, I'll break each of them down, module by module. Edge doesn't come from one good tool. It comes from the dialogue between them. Click a strike on Options Map. It lands in Strategy Lab as a strategy leg. Liquidity Map detects an unexpected wall. Pulse surfaces it, and Market Intelligence recomputes the scenarios, and every trader, whatever their style, runs the same loop. Read the market, research scenarios, plan and execute, track and learn. FOCSAL doesn't make decisions for you. It prepares you for them, step by step with full context and every move documented. This is FOCSAL, an operating system for reading crypto markets, not a pile of charts. A decision pipeline, the path an investor walks every day. In the next episode, we'll go deeper, a guide through the whole system, then module by module. If you want to see it live, go to focsal.com. Subscribe so you don't miss the series. See you in the next one.